서울사이버대학을 다니고
나의 성공시대 시작됐다.
서울사이버대학을 다니고
나를 찾는 회사 많아졌다.
서울사이버대학을 다니고 내 인생이 달라졌다.
새로운 시대, 새로운 대학.
서울사이버대학교.
Korea's #1 online education leader, Seoul Cyber University. Seoul Cyber University's online education infrastructure is leading the way for the future of higher education in Korea. State-of-the-art educational facilities and technologies, including Korea's largest broadcast-level studios and hybrid online-offline multimedia classrooms, are part of Seoul Cyber University's commitment to cultivating top talent. The 7 regional campuses, the largest among cyber universities in Korea, provide a learning environment that is accessible anytime, anywhere. Through active exchanges with prestigious overseas universities, including those in the US, Sweden, and Hungary, and with the largest number of partner and affiliated institutions among Korean cyber universities, our educational infrastructure provides a high-level educational environment. Seoul Cyber University's online educational content and system are setting new standards for higher education. A leading educational institution where you can earn various certifications, bachelor degrees, and even master's and doctoral degrees online. Seoul Cyber University boasts the most departments and enrollment quotas among Korean cyber universities. Furthermore, by offering a curriculum that reflects the latest trends and customized programs for military personnel and specialized learners, we provide fast and professional educational opportunities. As a leading AI university, we are driving educational innovation with the latest AI technologies, while also supporting micro-degree programs for professional courses and the acquisition of digital credentials through open badges. All classes are conducted 100% online through the SCU SmartWave system, developed and patented by Seoul Cyber University. Students can access and replay lectures anytime, anywhere, 24 hours a day, removing the constraints of time and location. Maximize learning effectiveness through one-on-one coaching with professors. All academic management, including assignment submission, exams, and course registration, is done online. We offer diverse opportunities through Korea's largest scholarship system. Seoul Cyber University provides an environment where students can learn conveniently and effectively based on world-class online educational content and systems. Seoul Cyber University's outstanding human network makes our students shine even brighter. We support students through special programs, including our alumni network, various special lectures, and cultural events. Seoul Cyber University boasts a strong human network where all members can communicate and participate, actively supporting the individual growth and development of its students. Seoul Cyber University has established itself as the trusted and leading cyber university in Korea. Now, through Vision 2026, we are completing a remarkable journey toward becoming a world-class leading cyber university. Based on collaborations with prestigious global institutions, Seoul Cyber University is leading future trends in the knowledge industry and open to people worldwide who seek learning. Our students' future is the university's vision. Beyond Korea, Seoul Cyber University is nurturing students who will lead change in the world, serving as a pioneer of K-education. The #1 university for all, Seoul Cyber University.